Hello and welcome to the second project from the APIs and Microservices projects section on the APIs and Microservices certification on our quest to conquer freeCodeCamp's curriculum. If that sounds confusing, it's because I made it sound like that. We just finished the timestamp microservice, which was a pretty interesting backend project, and now we're going to look at the request header parser. Build a full-stack JavaScript app that is functionally similar to this. Let's see what this is about. Everything's working. Okay, good. I can get the IP address, preferred language, and system infos from header for my device. Example. KKK. I don't really want to show my API, so I'm going to open this in my right screen. I'm not sure if it's okay to show my API or not, but oh well, I won't do it for now. Okay, so this should basically be something simple. We just create an API route for my device. Okay, so on API/who am I. Okay, so let's start glitch. We're cloning this project. Hey Ivan, let me know if you're familiar. Is it okay to show my IP or someone can hack my machine? Oh, look at that. We don't have anything now for this project. Hey, why we gave us an empty project? Can I try again? We're really getting an empty Express project. That will be a bummer. Oh no, so basically it was some error. Alright, so we have the server, the package JSON, hello Hork, the README, and whatnot. Let me copy the README. And also this, I want just to have it in the server.js. First API endpoint, let's put it here, just so we can reference it. So on API, who am I, we want to send back these headers. Now, I'm not sure. Let's see, console.log request.header. Headers or header. To see, hello Suhash. Now, to see if we go to this, share live project, we should see the same project here, but also in the console should have seen something, but apparently we don't. Oh, because we haven't went to API/. Alright, so let's do that. API/who am I. So now we get the greetings and here functions header. Okay, so that's a function. Accepted language from header user agent. Let's call this function, or I guess we could just look it up. Express request header, so we don't just fumble around. Request.body header. I don't like this documentation very much. Work with HTTP headers. Look at that. Flavio has my answer. My good friend Flavio. Alright, so apparently we can get the header by calling the header function with something. Okay, thank you Flavio. Good. so the header, we want the accept language, and also let's console the log request header with a user agent. Clean this up and let's call the API again. So let's see what we get. Okay, look at that. So we get this and user agent. Okie dokie, perfect. And what's the output? Let's copy the output so we see how to construct our output. We have the IP address, the language, and software. All right. So here in our JSON, let's store this to be language. Then the other one, let's store it to be software, like that. And we can pass it language and software. And we're going to pass in IP address, which will be something IP address. But for now, I'm going just to put the just put the basic IP address. Rahul says, hi Florin, how can I follow you on Insta Twitter? Just find me FlorinPop1705 on Twitter and FlorinPop17 on Instagram. Alright, so now we have those and we're sending them back. So if everything's good, look at that. We have the language, software, and an IP address. Now I'm not sure if this works if we submit it. So let's see. Copy the link and submit it here. Probably it will fail for the IP. Your preferred language should be returned in the language key. Your preferred language should be returned in the language key. So, preferred language. Apparently it passed for the IP, which is good. We don't have to show our IP. Language. And what we get now? We get this, and in their example, what we get? Well, I'm going to check it on the other screen because I get the IP also. So we get the same thing. Language. EN, GB, EN, US, QN. So it's exactly the same thing. IP address, software. That's interesting. Why it's failing? Your preferred language should be returned in the language key. Language, that's there. API, who am I? Very weird. Accept language. ENGB, ENUSD. So that's what they gave us in their example. I'm not sure what's wrong with this. Who knows? Let's try again. Okay, so apparently it was just some bug on their end. And that's it. Now, this was really simple. We just needed to call the headers. I faked an API here, not an API, an IP address, and it's done. Let's clean this up and move to the next one. Alright, URL shortener. Now this will be probably better. We'll have some tasks to do. So I'll see you in just a couple of minutes. I'm going to create another live stream just to have these videos be standalone. If you liked it, give it a like. If it was useful, also give it a like, or well, do whatever you want. Thank you for watching and listening, and I'll see you just in a bit if you're watching live. If no, I'll see you in the next video.